Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the market playback right here on NinjaTrader. And we call this replay in my opinion. Then the first thing that we are going to do is you create an account by yourselves and then we go right here to trade. Then it will send us right here to this page and then now we can select right here market replay. So now we click right here on access market replay and then right now what we're going to do is we select right here the start date. So let's do a date beginning of this year, okay. And then start time, this is fine. Then we can select right here the speed that we want to do that and then with this as a balance. So then we do start replay and then right now we can use here the market replay and also having right here 50k cash balance that we can use right here on the market. So this is how you can use right here market playback. So this is how you can use the market playback right here in NinjaTrader, and hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.